Insomnia's grip a global epidemic. Insomnia is a widespread problem. It affects millions worldwide. Imagine a third of the world's population struggling to fall asleep. It's a global epidemic impacting all ages and backgrounds. This sleep disorder doesn't discriminate. It can affect anyone, anywhere. From bustling cities to quiet countryside, insomnia lurks in bedrooms. The numbers are staggering, painting a clear picture of sleeplessness. These statistics represent real people, desperate for rest. The impact extends beyond tired eyes, affecting health and safety. Welcome to our channel, Front Page Holistic Natural Remedies. We've got a ton of exciting health tips and home remedies to share with you. But hold on a second, we need you to keep a few things in mind while we do our best to provide valuable information. It's important to remember that we're not medical professionals, so before you dive into any of our remedies or treatments, we strongly recommend consulting with a qualified healthcare provider. We want you to stay safe and healthy, so please use your own judgment and discretion when using any of the information we present. Remember, your well-being comes first. So before we begin, make sure to show us some love by hitting that like button, subscribing and ringing that bell for more transformative content that will elevate your health. The daily struggle life impacted by insomnia. Insomnia does more than just keep you awake at night. It casts a long shadow over your waking hours too. Daytime fatigue becomes the norm. Concentration wavers, making it difficult to focus on work or studies. Imagine struggling to stay awake during an important meeting, or feeling too drained to play with your children. This is the daily reality for those with insomnia. The simplest tasks feel insurmountable. Beyond productivity, insomnia also impacts our mood and relationships. Irritability increases, making it challenging to maintain healthy relationships. The joy in life seems to dim, replaced by a constant state of exhaustion. Insomnia steals the joy from life's simple pleasures. It robs us of our energy, focus, and emotional well-being. Addressing this sleep disorder is not just about getting more sleep. It's about reclaiming the quality of our lives. Decoding the causes, stress, anxiety, and sleep habits. Understanding the causes of insomnia is the first step toward finding solutions. In our fast-paced modern world, stress reigns supreme. Work pressures, financial worries, and relationship issues weigh heavily on our minds, making it difficult to switch off at night. Anxiety, often a close companion to stress, further exacerbates sleeplessness. The relentless what-ifs and worries about the future keep our minds racing, preventing us from finding the peace needed for sleep. Our lifestyle choices also play a significant role in disrupting our sleep. Irregular sleep schedules, late-night screen time, and excessive caffeine consumption disrupt our natural sleep-wake cycle, making it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. These are just a few of the common culprits behind insomnia. Other factors like medical conditions, certain medications, and even environmental factors can also contribute to sleeplessness. Identifying the root cause of your sleep problems is crucial for finding an effective solution. Natural remedies, reclaiming peaceful sleep. Fortunately, there are many natural remedies and strategies that can help combat insomnia and restore peaceful sleep. These natural approaches offer gentle yet effective ways to address sleeplessness without relying solely on medication. One such approach is establishing a regular sleep schedule. This means going to bed and waking up around the same time each day, even on weekends, to regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Creating a relaxing bedtime routine is another powerful tool. This could include taking a warm bath, reading a book, or listening to calming music to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Furthermore, creating a sleep-conducive environment is essential. Make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool, and reserve the bed primarily for sleep and intimacy to strengthen its association with rest. Section 5. The Power of CBTI, Retraining Your Brain. Cognitive behavioral therapy for insomnia, or CBTI, is a highly effective form of therapy that focuses on the connection between our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors related to sleep. It helps individuals identify and change the negative thoughts and behaviors that contribute to their insomnia. One of the core components of CBTI is sleep restriction. This involves temporarily restricting your sleep window to improve sleep efficiency. While it may seem counterintuitive, limiting the time spent in bed can actually help you fall asleep faster and sleep more soundly. Another key aspect is stimulus control. This involves establishing a strong association between your bed and sleep. This means avoiding activities like working, watching TV, or using electronic devices in bed. CBTI also addresses unhelpful sleep-related beliefs and worries. Through techniques like cognitive restructuring, individuals learn to challenge and reframe negative thought patterns that perpetuate their insomnia. This empowers them to develop a healthier relationship with sleep. Meditation. Finding calm amidst the storm. In our noisy world, finding calm is essential for good sleep. Meditation cultivates mindfulness and inner peace, combating insomnia. It involves focusing on your breath, a mantra, or a calming image. Redirecting thoughts away from worries quiets mental chatter. There are various types of meditation. Mindfulness meditation observes thoughts without judgment. Guided meditation uses imagery to promote relaxation. Practice it anywhere, anytime. Regular practice helps you sleep soundly and wake up refreshed. Section 7. Lifestyle changes. Paving the way to sleep. Simple lifestyle changes can significantly improve your sleep quality. Adjust daily habits to create a restful sleep environment. Diet plays a crucial role in sleep regulation. Avoid large meals, caffeine, and alcohol close to bedtime. Regular exercise is key to good sleep hygiene. Exposure to daylight regulates your circadian rhythm. Get outside in natural sunlight, especially in the morning. Ignoring insomnia is like ignoring a ticking time bomb. The consequences extend far beyond just feeling tired. Untreated insomnia can have serious implications for your physical health, mental well-being, and overall quality of life. Chronic sleep deprivation weakens your immune system, making you more susceptible to illnesses. It increases the risk of developing chronic conditions like heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and obesity. Mentally, insomnia takes a toll on your cognitive function, impairing memory, concentration, and decision-making abilities. It also increases your risk of developing mood disorders like anxiety and depression. The impact of insomnia extends to your relationships, work performance, and overall enjoyment of life. It's not something to be taken lightly. Seeking help is not a sign of weakness. It's a sign of strength and a commitment to your well-being. You've now gained valuable insights into the world of insomnia, its causes, and effective natural remedies. The next step is to take action. Don't let insomnia continue to rob you of your sleep and well-being. Start by implementing the tips and strategies discussed in this video. Experiment with different approaches to find what works best for you. Remember, consistency is key. Stick with the changes you make, even if you don't see results immediately. Share what you've learned with your friends, family, and colleagues. Break the stigma surrounding sleep disorders and encourage open conversations about sleep health. By sharing your knowledge, you can empower others to take control of their sleep and improve their well-being. Your journey to peaceful sleep starts now. Embrace the power of natural remedies, make positive lifestyle changes, and don't hesitate to seek professional help if needed. You deserve restful nights and energized days. Insomnia affects millions worldwide, casting a long shadow over our lives. But there is hope. Understanding causes like stress and poor sleep habits helps address the problem. Natural remedies offer gentle solutions. Establishing a sleep schedule and optimizing your environment are crucial steps. Meditation calms the mind for rest. Lifestyle changes, like diet and exercise, regulate our sleep-wake cycle. It's about waking up refreshed and ready to embrace the day. The journey to peaceful sleep is a personal one, and it starts with a single step. Take what you've learned from this video and begin implementing small changes in your life. Start by establishing a consistent sleep schedule, creating a relaxing bedtime routine, and making your bedroom a sleep sanctuary. Explore the power of natural remedies like cbti and meditation. Find what works best for you and stick with it. Remember, consistency is key. Don't be afraid to reach out for professional help if you need it. Share your journey with others. Break the stigma surrounding sleep disorders and start conversations about sleep health. By supporting each other and sharing our experiences, we can create a world where everyone enjoys the benefits of restful sleep. Your journey to peaceful sleep starts now. Embrace the power of natural remedies, make positive lifestyle changes, and don't hesitate to seek professional help if needed. You deserve restful nights and energized days. We encourage you to try the tips shared in the video and share your own experience in the comments below. We would love to have you share with us and our channel family about your own experiences, so please take a moment to share your experiences in the comment section below. If you have found this video informative, give it a thumbs up and please share it with your friends and family, who may then also benefit from this video content. And of course, please subscribe to our channel, hit the notifications button to stay tuned for more exciting and informative content on how to lead a healthier and happier life. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on living a happy and healthy life.